So, good afternoon, everyone. So, my name is Sunny. I'm the reporter of 41. So, today we are going to talk about the digital art. So, what does it mean? The digital art is artwork created using digital technologies such as computer, tablets, or on mobile phones. So, we all know nowadays, digital art is very useful for the students, for the students, teachers, and etc. So, one of the importance of digital arts, we have the digital art plays an important role in today's world because it's used in mga social media content creators. So, we are website app designs, animations, and games. So, educational and entertainment. So, aside from digital art, we have used the tools used in digital art. So we have the hardware, computer or laptop, tablet, smartphone, stylus pen, graphic tablet. So one of the tools using in digital arts is one of the hardware because one of the most basic digital art using hardware or laptop computers. So we have the elements of digital arts. We have the line, shape, color, texture, space, and value. So digital arts is very important nowadays because we are using technologies, and we have the types of digital arts. We have digital painting, graphic design, photo manipulation, animation, 3D art. So what are the advantages of digital art? So, we are familiar naman no, nowadays, advantage of the digital arts is easy to edit and revise. So, the second is save materials such as paper and paint. The third one can be shared online instantly. So, you can use a content creator or make a Canva using mga Canva to edit the videos or pictures. So, fourth, the offers wide variety of creative tools allow artists to work more efficiently. So, the disadvantage of digital arts requires electronic device and software. So dependent of the electricity and technology. Some software can be expensive while using the digital art. So, technical issue mainly effects of the work process. So, good afternoon everyone. So, my name is Kamsani. So, I am the report of the HE12 number 41. So, my topic is about design for coconut shell antiquans. So, coconut shell antiquans are products made from the discarded coconut shells. So, coconut shell is very important articles because nagpo-promote siya ng mga recycling and environment to protect protection and reduce waste materials. So, provides additional source of income, encourage creativity, and craftsmanship. So, yung shared articles produce attractive and useful products. So, like for examples of coconut shells is mga bowls, cups, keychains, flower vases, lampshade, decorative wall, hangings, jewelry, and spoon holders. So, materials used in making coconut shell, we have the coconut shell, paint, glue, varnish, decorative materials like mga beads, ribbons, and shells. So, tools in making coconut shell articles, we have the mga sandpaper, cutter, paintbrush, saw, drill, and ruler. And also using pencil. So, what are the importance of designing before production? So, designing is important step before crafting of coconut shell. article because nag-help siya and organize ideas. So, makes the product attractive and unique. So, importance of designing coconut shell, we have to prevent mistake and during production. Next is saves times and materials. So, what are the benefits of using coconut shell? So, we have the environmental friendly, of course. So, affordable and readily available, durable, and long-lasting. Unique and attractive. The last one, we have support, recycling, and sustainability.